you got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
Oh yeah, most definitely, man. What's your running in here, man? 3 direct drive, 100 off of 1 TFX 8K, 96 amp hours of Headway, and 1 Vector. You stuffed it in here. You stuffed a lot in here. Yeah, everything had to be built in. Okay. Triple layer roof. Oh yeah, you all the way down. You can close that door.
That's my nigga Big Ham, straight fire. Got that. right equipment ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.